Okay, we're going to work on the notes for Chapter 1, Section 3, and this is going to involve solving equations. So the first equation we're going to look at is negative 5/8 x is equal to 20. First thing we want to do is multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of negative 5/8 is negative 8/5 or negative 8 as numerator, 5 denominator. Multiply this side by the same thing. This might help you see a little bit more what's going on too. So what we're left with, negative times negative is a positive, and then the 1 times 1 is 1, so we're really just left with 1x, or x, because when you multiply a number by its reciprocal, you get 1. And then on this side, 5 will go into 20 4 times, and since it's 5 will go into 5 1 time, 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. We can write negative 32 over 1, but that's not necessary. That's my answer. X is equal to negative 32. Okay, on to exercise 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal again. So the reciprocal in this case will look like this, 3/2. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. That's over 1 if that helps. Okay, I know that's going to give me 1y because multiplying a number by its reciprocal. Negative 9 multiplied by 3 is negative 27. So y is equal to negative 27. This one is going to require me to distribute. And I draw my arrows to remind me to distribute to both terms. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times negative x, negative 2x, equal to 14. Here's where I combine like terms. So I have 5x, negative 2x, which combines to give me a positive 3x, plus 15 plus 2 combines to give me a positive 17. I need to get 3x by itself. I divide both sides, subtract both sides by negative 17. 3x is equal to negative 3. I need the number in front of x to be 1, so to make that happen, I divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to negative 1. Example 4. I've got a 3 right outside the parentheses, so that has to be distributed. The negative 10x just needs to be brought down for right now. Plus 3 multiplied by 4x is a positive 12x. 3 times multiplied by negative 2 is a negative 6. This step is going to require us to combine like terms. Negative 10x plus 12x, positive 2x, minus 6 equals 6. I add 6 to both sides. 2x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 6. Fifth example. distribute, 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 combine like terms. It would be negative 8x minus 2, negative 4, however we want to think about that. You're going to have minus 6. Add 6 to both sides. Negative 8x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by negative 8. X is equal to negative